Hello children, welcome to our class. Do you like to play? Yes. Where do we play? We play at home with our family. We play outside with our friends. We run, jump and laugh. It is so much fun. Some games need a ball. Some games need a board. Some games need nothing, only you. Am I right? Yes. Today's topic is all about games. Come on children, let us play. First, look at the mind map. Indoor games, caroms, ludo, chess, snake and ladders. Outdoor games, cricket, football, kabaddi, hide and seek, running races. Before going to the topic, let's learn some new keywords. Types of games. Game materials. Games played on the ground. Games played in the house. Let's see types of games. Do you know there are many types of games we can play? Let's learn about them. Indoor games. These are games we play inside the house. Examples: caroms, ludo, chess, snake and ladders. We play these games with our family. These games are fun and safe at home. Next, outdoor games. These are games we play outside the house, in the playground, garden, or open space. Examples: cricket, football, kabaddi, hide and seek, running races. We play these with our friends. These games make our body strong and healthy. Games and materials. To play indoor games, what do we need? Let's see indoor games and materials. Ludo. We need a Ludo board, dice and coins. Caroms. We need a carom board, striker, coins and powder. Chess. We need a chess board and chess pieces, white and black. Snake and ladders. We need a game board and dice. These games are fun and help us think, share, and play together with family. Next, to play outdoor games, what do we need? Let's see outdoor games and materials. Cricket. We need a bat, ball, and stumps. Football. We need a football to play in the playground. Kabaddi. We don't need anything, just a playground. Hide and seek. No things needed, just a place to hide and friends to play with us. Running race. We need a playground or an open space to run. Some games require things, and some games need only you and your friends. Outdoor games help us run, jump, and keep our bodies strong and healthy. Activity time. Let us play. I will show you the game. You have to tell me whether it is an indoor or an outdoor game. Are you ready, children? Look at the screen.
The game is chess, which is an indoor game. The game is cricket, which is an outdoor game. The game is hide and seek, which is an outdoor game. The game is caroms, which is an indoor game. The game is skipping, which is an outdoor game.
Well played, children. Keep it up. Next, we will see why do we play games. We play games to have fun. Games make us happy and active. Games make our body strong and healthy. Games teach us to share, follow rules, and work with others. Games also teach us to win and lose happily. So, we play games to enjoy with our friends. Game rules. Games are fun, but every game has rules. What are the rules? Rules tell us how to play and what not to do. Common rules are: wait for your turn, play the right way, don't cheat, be kind, no shouting or fighting, don't hurt anyone. It's okay to lose. Have fun. Follow the rules and enjoy the games with your friends. What we have learned. Games help us stay happy, healthy, and learn to play together. There are indoor and outdoor games. Both keep us active and help us learn in different ways. We must follow the rules and enjoy the game with our friends. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson about games. Let's see what is more interesting to learn in the next lesson. Don't forget to do your home assessment. Bye, children.